Hello, this is Rosa from Dust and Mining. Today I will introduce the integrated trommel gold washing plant. The integrated trommel gold washing machine is mainly used for the recovery of the alluvial gold. It is a mobile gold beneficiation machine. It is powered by a diesel engine or generator site, providing power for the screening equipment and the water pump system. The equipment consists of hopper, a washing, screening, and gold recovery machines. The switch of this device can be a slide or wheels. The equipment adopts the excavator or loader to load materials, and there is a high-pressure water gun in the hopper to screen water, so that the all materials flow into the trommel washing machine evenly for mud washing, screening, thorough cleaning of the all materials. Then gold can be separated from the mud, greatly improving the recovery rate of the gold separation part. According to the nature and form of the gold in the mine, we can equip machines like fixed sluice box, vibrating sluice box, centrifugal concentrator, shaking table to collect gold, and can recover the granular gold, capillary gold, and flake gold. The features of this machine: first, it is easy to move. Second, it is integrated design, easy to assembly and disassembly, saving labor. Third, it has a simple structure and easy maintenance. Fourth, less vulnerable parts, suitable for the continuous high-intensity operation. Fifth, the equipment is sturdy and has a long service life. Thank you for the watching. Goodbye.